Pretty much the outline how it's supposed to go. I brought the wrong book though. Damn. I hate when I do that.
NightOutHipHop.com.
Yeah, holy What's up, gang? I want to come at you today with a motovlog helmet setup. So to save you time, save me time, I already installed everything. I just want to show you what I used and kind of show you how I kind of put everything together. You can tell from the sound of the video if you like it or not, so you guys can make that call, but I'm pretty pleased with it. Alright, so there's the helmet. I've done a review on this one, so you guys can check that out, what I think of it. Got the Cine 30 here. I just bought the replacement speakers to go on the inside, took everything out and set all that stuff up. So you guys know how to set up a comm system. And if you don't, you can look it up. Alright, so of course I had to use the purple Panda, which is the best mic on the market. You guys, if you're not using one of those, you're missing out. So I had to get a J-hook. Of course, you gotta have your camera. And what I used to mount the mount, I'll show you here in a second, was this stuff called sugru. I've never used this before, but now I have, and it seems to be pretty good. I ordered a pack of 8 from Amazon, and it comes in white or black depending on your helmet. I put the black glue on this one, and then I use the white glue for my other one. So you can kind of see it leaves like a little rubber silicone type of texture around it, but it's super secure. Like, I'm not worried about this thing falling off at all. My whole chin's gonna fall off where that thing falls off. However, I did invest in, well, you can't see it, but you can see the putty on it right there. I went online and ordered a chin mount. I think they were 35 bucks for this little thing right here. Of course, it fits any standard sports or camera mount. So I got the little J hook up there if I can figure out how to put the camera on. Alright, so chin mount, 35 bucks. Honestly, if I was to do it again, I would not order this. I would just go buy a rounded mount, depending on the mount on your helmet. But mine was pretty flat. I could have got by with a rounded mount and used the sugru on it, and it would have been fine. But this is an official chin mount. You can tell the difference in the plastic. It doesn't feel like a normal smooth texture. But again, 35 bucks for that. But check out your options first, and don't forget about this stuff, because this stuff really works. Seen another YouTuber use it on his mount, and it's pretty good. You just smooth it all the way around. Once you take it out of the pack, you work it, heat it up, and then to spread it on your mount and hold the mount there for like 15 seconds and let it dry. This has been drying for about 48 hours. I've had all this on there. So it, like I said, it's good and solid. Got it on my other helmet, and definitely recommend you guys going with that. Oh, I just noticed a big scratch in my lens right there already. Jeez. Alright, anyways, Scorpion Convert FX, still digging it, liking it. I got the purple Panda inside. I know the light may be a little tough, but let me spin it around here so you can check it out. Alright, there it is. I got it kind of velcroed in there, and it's behind the boom mic for the Cine to help secure it a little bit, but it's over on the side. I went ahead and closed the front vents so I get no air through here, but it's alright because I usually ride with my visor cracked and it gives me enough air. As far as the camera setup, I do run the medium mod because it's got this the mic plug right there in the back, but you could run your adapter for the GoPro. You might want to do like a little Velcro strip here because your cord comes out the bottom, you just plug it in anyways, and then you can have your camera mic'd up. So either one of those, GoPro mount or the GoPro adapter, either one of those, the GoPro mount or the GoPro adapter, you just kind of strip it on there. So today I'm running the adapter, the medium mod, so you guys can it does add a little bit more weight, but you know, it is what it is. So all right, let's get out of here. It is hot today, as you can see. Sheesh. It's definitely hot out here today. I gotta get on the bike, get some air flowing, because this is a little ridiculous. So till then, enjoy the ride, check out the audio, and if you guys will leave me any tips, I'd appreciate it. So until then, see ya.
Folks, I'm no joke out the bullpen, bringing nothing but heat, leave you hanging like clothespins. He's a beast when he goes in, ice cold frozen. The first round draft pick, #1 chosen. Drop bombs, explosion, self-promotion, and I keep moving like a flanker in motion. I'm the #1 spokesman, is my devotion. That I'm dedicated to the rhyme is my own notion. Brown water's the potion, it put hair on your chest. Or you can put one in the air and it'll put you to rest. Sweet dreams, I'm about to fade. I got my mind on my money and I'm dreaming about getting us all paid. Mr. Go-Getter, Mr. Assertive, Mr. Initiative, Mr. Results, man, I'm all about my business, kid. Damn, I mean, need I say more? I mean, what more can I say? You know the play. Back for the last time. This time I mean that. I did a lot of shows, but you ain't.
All right. The camera mount, I need to put another extension arm on here to kind of raise it up a little bit. It's a little low, lower than what I want. So you guys know how simple that is. Just throw some mounts in it and you are good to go. So this is no wind. Obviously I'm waiting on this traffic, roasting. Nope. Alright, this is with the visor up.
Did a lot of battles, I ain't even have to win it. I hit them with the song, they ain't even try to spin it. I took a lot of pictures, what the f, I ain't in it. But when I hit the mic, I crash, yeah I did it.